Brazil is pursuing the acquisition of India's Akash NG, or next-generation, surface-to-air missile system, with a keen interest in full technology transfer and local production. This marks a significant chapter in the growing defense relationship between the two leading global South powers, reflecting broader trends in international arms partnerships, technological self-reliance, and, the changing architecture of global security. Why does Brazil want the Akash NG missile? Well, Brazil's primary motivation stems from persistent gaps in its existing air defense infrastructure. Current Brazilian air defense systems are largely restricted to intercepting threats at low altitudes, below 3,000 meters, and have limited reach, leaving critical gaps in protecting key cities, sensitive installations, and military assets. With such vast territory and important strategic locations, from Amazon basin radar stations to coastal industrial centers, Brazil is seeking a modern, future-ready solution able to counter evolving aerial threats, such as drones, subsonic cruise missiles, and advanced fighter jets. The Akash NG presents a clear technology upgrade. First, it boasts an interception range of up to 60 kilometers, with some sources even citing 80 kilometers for export versions. Second, the system uses advanced technologies such as Active Electronically Scanned Array, or ASA, radars and dual-pulse rocket motors, greatly increasing its tracking precision and target engagement envelope. And third, it is designed to counter highly maneuverable, low-observable threats, which really fits Brazil's requirements for versatility and adaptability. The importance of full technology transfer can't be overstated. Brazil is not simply a buyer. It seeks genuine defense partnership. Local manufacturing and technology absorption have become pillars of Brazil's defense procurement policy. The reasons are both strategic and economic. By acquiring full transfer of technology, or TOT, Brazil can domestically manufacture Akash NG components, assemble systems, and over time, develop expertise for upgrades and spin-off applications. This reduces dependency on external suppliers during crises or embargoes. So, local production is, really boosting Brazil's high-tech defense manufacturing sector. It's creating skilled jobs and, honestly, could even open doors for exports to neighboring markets, which might make Brazil a regional hub for modern air defense technology. Now, with full transfer of technology, there's this unique opportunity for Brazil to customize the system to fit its specific operational needs and integrate it with its own command and control infrastructure. That's pretty crucial for sovereign defense planning and, over time, helps with cost rationalization. What's more, India's willingness to offer this level of technology transfer, something you just don't see from the United States, China, or most European suppliers, really sets it apart as a trusted partner in the global South. This, in turn, enhances strategic alignment and builds a lot of confidence. This potential deal is deeply rooted in the changing geopolitics of defense. Brazil's search for alternate sources of advanced military technology is a reflection of its aspiration for autonomy and reduced reliance on any one bloc. While it has considered NATO-based options, such as EMADS from MBDA, India's responsiveness and technology-sharing approach is viewed as more flexible and equal. Defense cooperation is a major pillar of the India-Brazil relationship. Both are leaders in South-South cooperation forums like BRICS, G20, and IBSA, and see defense industry collaboration as an extension of their mutual vision for multipolar security arrangements. India's global defense export goals are really coming into focus here. For India, the Akash NG deal is a showpiece of its emergence from defense importer to exporter. Full transfer of technology agreements signal India's maturity and ambition to be not just an arms exporter, but also a technology provider on the world stage. Let's talk about the broader impact and challenges. If successful, the Brazil-Akash NG agreement could be transformative. For Brazil, it would offer a credible, cost-effective, sovereign air defense solution, deepen local technological capabilities, and enhance its security posture for decades. For India, it reinforces the country's emergence as a defense technology exporter, builds brand reputation, and opens further opportunities in Latin America and beyond, potentially against established Western or Chinese platforms. For the Global South, this partnership sets an example of advanced military technology sharing and horizontal cooperation, challenging traditional North-South hierarchies in defense trade. Yet challenges remain. Full transfer of technology is complex. It requires sustained political trust, legal frameworks for intellectual property, robust after-sales and support models, and the ability to manage integration risks. Brazil must ensure it has the absorption capacity and that the technology matches evolving battlefield realities. India must deliver on its transfer of technology promises without compromising national security or sensitive technologies. Thank you for watching. If you found the video insightful, hit the like button and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.